This week, we're going to be looking at mobile apps. Now, I know all of you have all different kinds of apps on your phone, and you'll need to probably add the app that you're going to review and look at so you can actually play with it on your phone and see how it works. I need to take some time and take off 1 million apps off my phone. I have my grandchildren have all kinds of crazy games and stuff on it, but the mobile apps that we're going to look at are educational, and I think you'll find one that you'll want to do. All right, so let's look down here. Our objectives are we're to explore and research about a mobile app in the classroom, research the educational app, and we're going to develop a slide deck. So there's 3 parts to this week: the summary, the mobile app summary, the assignment, and your media post. So let's look right here at the mobile app summary. You're going to go to your class website, navigate to resources, and under resources, you're going to go to the subpage mobile app. Insert a text box and write a paragraph in your own words. You cannot use AI, and I'll be able to tell whether you did or not. Answer the following questions about what you learned from the articles above. There's 3 articles. They're very short, but you need to read them and look at these questions before you read them so you can kind of jot down a few notes of what you're going to want to include. So then once read the Great App Checklist, and that is kind of a quick outline and articles about apps. The next one is educational apps, advantages and challenges for learners, and that's self-explanatory. And then the last one is kind of a little bit of research. Do the apps really help kids learn? So you'll need to develop these 25-point questions right here below and answer each question from these 3 that you read. So again, what I always suggest do, read the questions first, then go back and answer the thing. So you're going to write the paragraph answering these questions. You're going to take a screenshot of it off of your website and upload the screenshot to Moodle. It's 25 points. Now this is an activity I really like, and sometimes I end up getting y'all to share all of your mobile app assignment slide decks before the end of the semester so that everyone else in the class can see the different apps that you've done. So I may do that the first part of next week's module or the following. Well, we're still talking about some of these things. So you're going to open up this app, pick an educational app from this list. And there's a whole lot of them. I'm going to open it real quick. And there's under math, you can find things that you're interested in, ELA, I'm on and on and on, science, and I'm not going to go through all of them. You get the drift. Now, you are going to open that app, and you want to try to find a free one. That's just my suggestion, because some of y'all may not end up teaching with apps, but find a free one and one that you think you'll enjoy and that you can answer all of the specifications that we have in the assignment. Okay, so that's what you're going to do here. And under that educational app, you're going to download the app to your phone or tablet, because that's the best way you can tell if it's going to be good or not as an app. Once you understand the app, go to Google Drive, and you're going to open a new Google slide deck, and you're going to create a slide deck following the format below. Okay, so here's the video explanation. Let me walk you through this. So slide 1, the title is the app name. Under the app name, put reviewed by your name. Be sure to include a picture of the app icon. Number 2 is the overview of the app. Add 3 to 5 sentences and add a picture from the app. Slide 3 is the title, is the basics. Put the following information in a table. So you'd insert a little table, and you'd have compatibility, price of the app, age recommendation, how much room does the application take in your device, and access links to iTunes or Google Play. So how do you get this link? How do you download it and get it? Slide 4 is the title. Write at least 2 sentences about classroom use, how the teachers use the app in the classroom. Include a picture on that slide that is relevant. Now be sure to pay attention if it says add a picture, which most of them do, that you have the picture or you'll lose points. Slide 5, you're going to go to the website, Common Sense Media, search for your app, take a screenshot of the review, and it should include the rating, the community rating, these things in your screenshot. The last one is the tutorial. You're not having to create a tutorial. You go to YouTube and find a tutorial to how to use the app. So click here to learn how to embed YouTube video into Google Slides, which is very, very easy. So I'm not going to walk through each one of these videos, but I'll give you a little bit clearer when I get to the end here. So to embed your slide deck on your classroom website, you're going to do it just like we've done everything else. You've created your slide deck in Google Slides. So when you open up a Google slide deck, it is in your Google Drive. So what you will do is you'll go to the page that says, right here, the page that you had under here where it says Mobile App Assignment, and you're going to go to Google Drive and insert your Google slide deck onto that page. Then publish site. Upload a screenshot of the slide deck to Moodle. Now listen, I went through this a little fast because I know you don't want to listen to me, but make sure you follow every step and direction in all of these 6 slides or you will lose points. All right, again, this is AI free. You're doing it yourself. The last thing is social media. Go to your Blue Sky account. When I say public, post a public service announcement about the app saying, hey, this slide, I want to talk about Storybird. I just did a review of Storybird, the app. It was great. So, and I think your students will really enjoy using it, especially ages such as through such. It can be made up anything, but it's just kind of like you're giving an advertisement for it. So then you're going to tag 2507OL and me, okay? So that kind of does that part. So here's your assignments. You're going to have your mobile app reading and summary, your assignment, which is the slide deck. Again, make sure that you change the link when you hit share to anyone can view. Then last is the social media post, which is the screenshot. The screenshot of your most, I better put that in there just to remind y'all. And make sure when you do your screenshot of your Blue Sky, of your social media, make sure I can tell that it was Blue Sky and a screenshot, because I can't give you credit. I'll be sending you a little summary there. Okay, so this gives you kind of the overview right here.